Today we to see this project. Okay, travel use in all one transport book companion. Okay, where we will be having a user, vendor and uh, vendor. Okay, and an admin which supports the transportation system. Okay, like a auto, bus, car, which is an auto configurable depending upon that. Okay, will be driving the auto, cab, okay, and other transportation which can be auto configurable. We are going to see that project. Okay, now we can go to the module. Okay, where we'll have a admin. Okay, module to follow the configuration, post some news. Okay, bad weather, bad weather, uh, bad weather. Okay, news headlines, weather forecast, in orange alert. Okay, forecast says we had an alert today, and we request all drivers to drive carefully, to drive very carefully. And okay, to drive very carefully. This is the news which are going to post. Submit the rules. Okay, here we'll have that news over here, and it will be published across the users and the vendors. Okay, and service, if we have any service like car, auto, bus which you are supporting, we can add the services over here. Okay, the added services are auto, car, bus. Okay, these services we are using, because usually if it is all in transport, what they will do. Okay, um, what they will do now, they will be taking bus, train, flights. Okay, those are usual. Today we are going to support auto, cars and bus as a different way. Okay, that is all in transport companion. Okay, we go to the new owner. Okay, those who are having the vehicle will get registered over here. Okay, here we already have a login. Okay, we log in over here, and we can see the what is the latest news. Okay, which is published, and add item. Here we need to check the service. Okay, what we are going to do. Okay, whether it is a car, bus, okay, or a bike, whatever we are going to have. Okay, that can be added it over here. Okay, and we have a car. Go to Google. Okay, I20. Okay, image, we'll get an image for it. Okay, okay, go here to image. Okay, we request. Okay, take something. Okay, the image, and otherwise we can right click, save an image. Okay, to uploads, it is a different image. Okay, take from images itself, images. Download, here also it goes there. Okay, images, Tata car images. Okay, go here. Okay, we'll take this one. Okay, and images, we need to take some image which is ing or something. Okay, I will choose this vehicle. Right click, save images. It is coming as this file. That is a problem. Web file. Okay, copy image, paint, paste it over here. Where is the size to reduce? I don't know. Here, this is the size to reduce, I think. Pixels, we'll put 100 into 100 pixels. Okay, 200 into 200 pixel. Okay, make this one, crop it. Where is the size? Okay, first 200 into file, save as, okay, as a png, because it is a save directly in the downloads. Okay, downloads as car. Okay, car.png. We save this one, close this image. Okay, and this folders directly we go here, car, Tata, Tiago, EV. Okay, number of vehicles we will mention only one. We can add 2 or 3 vehicles also, more number of vehicles. Model we put 2023. Okay, and model is, and okay, rent per kilometer. Okay, uh, okay, 150 rupees something. Location, okay, make it as Kadalur. Okay, pin code 607002. Okay, latitude longitude of Kadalur you need to take in Google, latitude and longitude. Okay, we'll mention here this is the latitude. Okay, when you want to search a vehicle very nearby, we have to use this. Okay, car image, where is the car? Car.png. Okay, open, and we'll submit it back. Okay, data got inserted, view the item. In car only one car are there. Okay, because since it is a old user, he registered many autos. Okay, that is standing in that location, Pudpakam. Here it is a, we added a Kadalur. Okay, and view bookings, these are the older bookings. Okay, if you want to take any booking, okay, that is I booked one thing on 11th. You can see here. Okay, from where to where we have to go, what is the date, timing, what is the amount, like that and all. Okay, this is the owner, means owner or vendor registration. User, now we go to the user. Username is, we already have a user called Hari. We can go here, over here, or we can do one thing. Okay, we don't want the user, new user, go to new user. Ramesh, we'll take it as a Ramesh first name. Yes, some phone number, some mail id. Okay, Chennai, Ramesh as Ramesh. I save this one. Okay, we go here to user, Ramesh. Username password is something incorrect, it says. We go to the person details and see that is there any gap. No, Ramesh, this first name is taking or something, I don't know. We'll see if there is any problem. Ramesh, okay, there is some problem to that, I think. Okay, we make this one as of now Ramesh here. type, where is the user type is farmer to vendor. Okay, we will look into the problem later. Okay, because here some registration is breaking. Okay, if you go here view shopping, here it goes. Okay, we can select the category car. Okay, the user has came only car at this location is there, click on that. Okay, and select. If too many cars are there na, you can select that cars. Okay, here if the user is added for the particular location, four cars will display depending upon its year of registration, and some registration number and all will be there. Okay, depending upon it will take. Okay, from date, what is the today's date? According to the time, it is 13. Okay, it is disturbing a lot. Okay, go to here 13, make is that to date, and from date is 14. Okay, pick up location, we go Kadalur. Okay, and time is 2 a.m. Okay, drop location Chennai Mandalore Zoo something. Okay, Chennai F1 Mandalore Zoo. Okay, they are going to return yes. If it is written is there, we need to give it as yes, otherwise we can give it as no. Okay, submit this one. Okay, and go to view orders, we can see this date. Okay, order will be provided. Okay, if you want to search anything over here like 12, no, it will not come. Okay, it is, you already know that it is 13. Now only it is book. Okay, like this user can get this history. Okay, then what happen, vendor will get a notification. Okay, vendor is only one vendor we have, Kriba. What he will, we go to view booking, he will view this car. Okay, and contact that owner. Okay, you know that Ramesh is the exact owner. Okay, he will reach him and he will say what is the kilometer and per amount how many kilometers are there, it will get displayed. Okay, all these things will be given here. Like this application will be running. Okay, and the development, it has you already know it has MySQL database. Okay, which is running in the exam server. Okay, and the framework is Flask. Okay, framework, you can see here we have a Flask. Okay, and the libraries which are installed over here, the procedure to run the project, these are the things. In this will be Flask will be published in the 5000 port, which is the application which is running over here. Okay, we are choosing a different model like auto car something which others won't choose as a transportation mode of booking, so that only we given minimal approaches without payment gateway and those things as a minimal model. Thanks for watching this video.